Hi guys! Today our video review will be very interesting. We are speaking about a big budgetary set from the company Dragonhawk for about $80. The set included a rotary pen, Atom M8, power supply, cartridges, pigments and cups for pigment. Don't miss, because I will talk about each item in this set. Let's go! My name is Olga Yakovleva. I am permanent makeup artist, trainer, cosmetologist and tattoo artist. All information in the video is the subjective opinion of the author, so please read the disclaimer in the description of the video. On my channel already has a video reviews about equipment from Dragonhawk, but I'm reminding that this is a company manufacturer of professional equipment for tattoo and permanent makeup. It already presented different tattoo machines, cartridges and power supplies. So let's talk about the box. From the outside, it's a big white box with logo of Dragonhawk and that's all. Inside, disposable disinfection wipes, ink cups, 2 bottles 5 milliliters tattoo ink, cartridges, tattoo power supply, with tattoo power adapter, RCA clip cord for our tattoo machine, spare O-rings and key for replace a bearing, but set doesn't have a spare bearing, and pen Atom M8 of black color and matte case. Pen is quite heavy. Its length is 123 millimeters. Let's talk about each item in this set. We are starting signs in the ink cups. The 8 cups in the packing with information about sterilization age, lot number and expiration date. Tattoo ink of black color, triple black, 2 bottles 5 milliliters, but I use Dragonhawk pigments only for latex. I don't recommend this ink for skin. The cartridges with size, diameter of the needle 0.35 millimeters, 3 RL. Inside the box 10 cartridges with standard information on the individual packaging about sterilization, needle configuration, lot number and expiration date. The power supply Dragonhawk airfoil. This equipment is easy to operate control. This power supply works with tattoo pedal and without it. Airfoil has screen for looking working voltage and the convenient adjustment of output voltage with a voltage wheel. The detailed video review about this power supply, the Dragonhawk airfoil, already on my channel. In the left corner we are seeing the link on this video. The tattoo machine Dragonhawk Atom M8. The company Dragonhawk confirms the machine weight is 154 grams. We will check it on the scales. The weight is correct. Atom is quite heavy. Your hand needs to get used to the weight. If you buy only tattoo machines without set, its price is from $20 to $30. Grip diameter is 29 millimeters. We can sterilize the crypts because it can fully removed. The company Dragonhawk doesn't give any information about sterilization of crypts. I use disinfectant and autoclave, and I don't use the high temperature sterilizer box because it can affect the color of crypt. Atom compatibles with many cartridges: Vertex, Must, Big Wasp, Quadron, Defender, Cheyenne, and others. The stroke length is 3.5 mm. This is a factory setting that we cannot change. This tattoo machine is hybrid. For this tattoo machine, I recommend the needle protrusion up to 3 mm for good flow pigments. Operating voltage is from 6 to 9 volts. I work in permanent makeup with working voltage is from 4.5 to 6.5 volts, and for tattoo I usually choose 7 or 7.5 volts. This tattoo machine works with different power supplies, but I prefer the power supply with current strength 2 amperes. The power supply in our set is well for this tattoo machine. My opinion that we use a budgetary power supply with only a budgetary tattoo machine. Let's turn on our equipment. I will work with the power supply from Dragonhawk, cartridge from my working voltage 5, the tattoo machine has vibration and noise. Let's go. Working voltage 7. Well, let's sum up our video review, guys. The set Dragonhawk is from Chinese company. It's very comfortable set, especially beginners artists, because it has a rotary tattoo machines, Atom M8, power supply, cartridges and ink caps. The power supply and tattoo machine are working in paired well. I recommend that we use a budgetary power supplies with only a budgetary tattoo machines. Its price is about $80, but if you buy only tattoo machine without set, its price is from $20 to $30. The tattoo machine compatible with many cartridges from famous companies. The Atom does all kinds of works, lining and shading, but your hand needs to get used to the weight, because the machine weight is 154 grams. But I think the Atom M8 will be more suitable for tattoo artists due to its form factor. I will leave links where you can buy this device from video description. I will be happy for your support, understanding and likes. Subscribe to the channel, leave comments and support us. I wish you beautiful works. See you later.